The lyrical fire Iyara in the intensity this week. What brother?
I did fam.
That from them time till now.
One way, you know where something going on.
This year you went through a lot of changes in your career personally. I mean, we're in the business, so we see you get even management this year as well too. What was that like?
It's a different management structure because you know I was a part of the Alliance camp. Yeah, but things happen and building tumble down and me have to just cut, you see me? Because of some disrespectful thing. And anyway, I have my new management now. Farm my own year team and we are do road and the thing I work.
Me ain't no reason from the whole vibe they go on, so what got for reason for on camera now? You know, for the people I mean even wonder, you as a loyal soldier around Killer for so many years, did it have to be so public of a split?
Well, a lot of people say that, you know, say it could have do indoor and stay indoor. You see me, but you see the fact that I go still in a dance hall and I go still the music, I have to make my people, my set of fans know say Iyara do him own thing.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Because I can't fool my fans. You understand me I say?
From a career perspective,
yeah,
you found it beneficial the way that whole situation unfolded?
Well, definitely. So far, I just step out and I put in work as usual, as how I normally I put in work from the camp there. But I see the work at Galley Fest more. You see me? I start to gain more respect in the street. People start to say Iyara more. You see me? Because I realize I did kind of get some help, but because I'm so loyal to one spot. You understand me I say? But the fact that I move and I do my own thing, I start merge, I share my energy with different people, link up different artists, I do different things with different producers, so the thing does work. I did two lucky in one like a corner. Unruly fest last year. And this is one of the main reasons why I tell myself, say, I have to cut from the whole alliance thing. You see me? Because Killer is somebody who I rate and respect and show him real love over the years, you see me? As a youth. Boom, the show I keep. Killer book for the show, we roll with the general guy the show. You see me, because you know I Killer that. And Killer with general them time there. You understand me I say? So we got the show with Killer. Boom, rain or fall, every artist I do them set shot. You understand? Killer goes so boom and walk on the stage and chat about 4 to 5 songs. Them start play a hardcore rhythm now, I know so them rhythm here. Me DJ pan and them rhythm here, Killer always call me out pan. You see me? Popcorn go so boom and bring the fire phone and put it in my hand. So when Popcorn give me the fire phone now, I just walk out so Killer can see me because this is St. Thomas and I come from Portland. The whole of my people them in the show. You understand me I say? When Killer turn and see me, you know, remember Iyara Killer turn and see, you know. I swing the man like the man I say, hey boy, come up on my stage. I wanted that the man give me, you know, my unruly fest last year. And me for there one a brother like that. Nah, man.
Man, as somebody this stand up round about the way you must say, you sure say you say, you know, say, so, yeah, hear my question now. Things can happen, you know, things can happen and yeah, we know say, you know what I want, so even if I you that, you reason with the man about it after?
Yeah. When you see him, ask him, because I know you must see him soon, you know.
What you said to him about it?
I don't say nothing to him, so because him know what him do. So I don't say nothing to him.
But you're wrong there, so
you understand me I say?
You must can say to the man, say general, you know, say,
I don't say nothing to him.
Look good way you just do a while ago.
No, I don't say nothing to him, man. I just know say, you hide this for me, you know. Yeah. So I don't say a word to him.
That sound like things and things are culminate and build up over time then. Because I know say you wouldn't just take that one incident there and say, yeah, cut. So that couldn't just be the only isolated incident. Then.
I know that alone. But that show me definitely. So this brother will me I give so much strength. Him I give me strength, you know.
Yeah.
So I don't want to make it look like I just me ungrateful and I say him not give me no strength. Him I give me strength and me I give him strength just the same.
But the level of respect where you feel.
But the level of respect when me give this brother here. For him run me off an holy fest. Nah man, me have to cut.
Yeah.
That's something. I mean, I just cut me not talking because I know myself, you know.
Yeah.
Anything me fi do, me I go do it same place on stage. That's why I not do nothing. Me just cut. Because I'm a street youth, I'm in a textile. So you see, if me fi retaliate to that what Killer do, a same place on the stage, me and Killer have to go knock it out. Yeah, that's right there. And true me know say, me and him now go to that level there, to the respect of me have for him, me just cut.
Okay. All right, so you cut from that situation, you cut from the alliance, you do your own thing now. What is one of the biggest adjustments you've had to make as an artist and do things your own way?
Well, right now the adjustment is to make the people them realize what I've been go through over the years. You see me, like even the radio disc jockey them, when them did get disrespect and a farmer interview Frank Killer, then they'd fling me in a corner. You see me? And tell themselves that they're done with anything affiliated with the alliance.
Yeah.
You overs? So I have to come out and make people know, say, yo, Iyara do him own thing, so no take me from under that stone there. That big stone that want to roll over, move me from under that big stone there. And stop, hold down real talent, boy. The main project with up on the table is my new single called Rich and Wealthy. Yeah.
Rich and wealthy, fit and healthy. Non-progressive people can't help we. House on the hill, on the porch of Bentley. Non-progressive people can't help we.
Why you tell me what most makes Iyara intense?
Alright. Main thing that make Iyara intense is my personality, who me really is.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, it's like, me is not a youth who stuck up. I share my energy with people.
Yeah.
You see me? And a lot of people, it take them a time to find out that about me. But you see, when them really find out that I saw Iyara stay, then they want to move from beside me. That's why I know me a real star with intense, yeah.
That's like Iyara really out.